What if I told you that starting soon you could rent a full-time worker for just $1 an hour? A worker that never sleeps, never complains, never asks for a raise, and never calls in sick. Sounds impossible, right? Stay with me for the next few minutes because what Tesla is about to unleash on the world could change the way every single household on this planet functions. And if you don't want to miss the moment this technology quietly takes over your daily life, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now before we dive in. Elon Musk has been dropping hints for months, but now the picture is finally becoming clear. Tesla Bot Gen 3, also known as Optimus Gen 3, is being positioned as the most advanced humanoid robot ever built by a mainstream company. This isn't a lab experiment hidden behind closed doors anymore. This is a machine designed to walk into your kitchen, your living room, and your daily routine within the next couple of years. The headline number everyone is talking about is the cost of operation, roughly $1 per hour of labor once the robot is mass-produced and amortized over its lifespan. Compare that to minimum wage workers, nannies, cleaners, or even part-time cooks, and the math becomes almost absurd. A robot that costs a fraction of a human salary but can theoretically work around the clock changes the entire economic equation for households and businesses alike. This is exactly why investors and analysts are paying such close attention to every leak coming out of Tesla's Fremont and Austin facilities. Let's talk about the price tag for actually owning one of these machines. Current estimates place the purchase price somewhere between $20,000 and $70,000 depending on configuration and the stage of production. Musk has repeatedly said that as manufacturing scales up, the price should eventually drop below the cost of a new car, possibly landing around $20,000. That means owning a humanoid robot could soon be more accessible than owning a new SUV, which is a wild sentence to say out loud. Now let's get into what this thing can actually do inside your home, because this is where it gets genuinely fascinating. Optimus Gen 3 is being built with hands that reportedly feature 22 degrees of freedom, which is an enormous leap in dexterity compared to earlier prototypes. That level of articulation is what allows it to grip a spatula, crack an egg, chop vegetables, and handle delicate kitchenware without crushing or dropping them. Tesla engineers have specifically focused on hand mechanics because dexterity, not walking, is the real bottleneck for household robotics. Cooking is one of the flagship demonstrations Tesla keeps showing off, and for good reason. The robot is designed to learn recipes and techniques by observing real humans and analyzing cooking videos, essentially teaching itself the same way a person would by watching tutorials online. Because Tesla's robots are connected through a shared learning network, a skill learned by one unit can theoretically be pushed out to every other unit in the fleet. That means the more Optimus robots are out in the world cooking dinners, the faster all of them collectively get better at it. Cleaning is the other major use case Tesla keeps highlighting, and the improvements here sound just as significant. The hands and forearms are reportedly sealed and water-resistant, which allows the robot to wash dishes, wipe down counters, and handle liquids without any risk of internal damage. It's also expected to build a three-dimensional map of your home using onboard cameras and sensors, letting it navigate around furniture, pets, and people while adjusting its cleaning approach, room by room. Imagine coming home after a long day and your entire house is already spotless without you lifting a single finger. One of the more surprising upgrades people are buzzing about is the new OLED face display replacing the old strip of LED lights used in previous generations. This screen is reportedly part of a massive multi-billion-dollar deal Tesla signed with Samsung, covering both AI chips and display panels. The face isn't just for looks either. It's meant to visually communicate emotional expressions, status updates, and simple information so the robot feels less like a machine and more like a presence in your home. It's a subtle change, but it's the kind of detail that could make people far more comfortable living alongside a robot every single day. Speaking of comfort, personality customization is apparently going to be a real feature, not just a marketing gimmick. Musk has confirmed that owners will be able to adjust the robot's voice, tone, and even conversational style to match their household's vibe. There are already reports suggesting the robot could respond to something as simple as, "I'm exhausted today," with a helpful gesture like grabbing you a cold drink. That blend of physical labor and social awareness is exactly what separates this from every industrial robot arm you've ever seen on a factory floor. Battery life is another area where Tesla appears to be making real progress. Current expectations point to roughly 8 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, which would make it genuinely useful for a full day of chores, errands, or work shifts. Combine that with the AI-5 chip reportedly powering its onboard decision-making, and you get a machine capable of learning and adapting in real time rather than simply following a rigid pre-programmed script. This is the difference between a glorified vacuum robot and something that starts to feel like an actual autonomous assistant. Durability has also become a major talking point, especially after some early skepticism about how fragile these prototypes might be. Tesla has reportedly engineered the Gen 3 hands specifically to resist water damage so the robot can safely interact with sinks, dishwashers, and spilled liquids. That kind of ruggedness matters enormously if this technology is ever going to survive real households with kids, pets, and everyday messes. A robot that short-circuits the first time it touches a wet countertop isn't going anywhere near mass adoption. Beyond the home, the implications for the broader labor market are honestly staggering to think about. Musk has talked about producing these robots at a scale of millions of units, potentially reaching numbers that could rival the entire global auto industry. Manufacturing, logistics, warehouse picking, and repetitive factory labor are all being floated as early target industries before the technology even reaches everyday consumers. If that scale of production actually happens, we could be looking at one of the fastest labor transformations in modern history. Healthcare and elder care are two areas that don't get talked about enough, but might end up being some of the most important applications. A tireless, emotionally stable robot that can help someone move around, manage medication schedules, and simply provide company could be transformative for aging populations worldwide. Many countries are already facing severe shortages of caregivers as their populations get older, and a machine that never gets tired or frustrated could genuinely fill that gap. This isn't just about convenience anymore. It starts to touch on real quality of life issues for millions of families. Of course, none of this comes without skepticism, and it's worth being honest about that. Early humanoid robot prototypes from Tesla and other companies have often looked stiff, slow, and awkward, walking in ways that made people question whether this technology was actually close to ready. Critics point out that demo videos are often carefully staged, and that the gap between a polished presentation and a robot working reliably in a messy real home is enormous. Musk himself has a well-known history of ambitious timelines that don't always match reality, so a healthy dose of patience is probably wise here. Mass production timelines have shifted before, and they could easily shift again. Earlier statements suggested a full launch by the end of 2025, but broader availability now looks more realistically tied to sometime in 2026. Supply chain challenges, chip shortages, and the sheer complexity of building millions of dexterous, safe, reliable robots are not small hurdles to clear. Even Tesla's own track record with full self-driving timelines should make anyone cautious about taking exact dates as guaranteed. Safety and regulation are also going to play an enormous role in how quickly this technology actually reaches ordinary households. A machine strong enough to lift furniture or handle a knife while chopping vegetables also needs incredibly robust safety systems to prevent accidents around children and pets. Governments around the world are almost certainly going to introduce new rules and certification requirements before robots like this are allowed to operate freely inside private homes. That regulatory process alone could add years to the realistic consumer timeline, no matter how advanced the hardware becomes. There's also the massive question of trust, which is honestly bigger than any technical spec sheet. Letting an autonomous machine handle knives, hot stoves, and your personal living space requires a level of confidence that most people simply don't have yet. Tesla is clearly betting that features like the expressive OLED face and customizable personality will help bridge that emotional gap over time. Whether that's enough to overcome decades of science fiction paranoia about robots in our homes remains to be seen. Economically speaking, the ripple effects could reach far beyond just households buying a helper robot. If businesses can replace expensive human labor with a $1 an hour machine, the pressure on wages, employment, and entire industries could be massive. Restaurants, hotels, warehouses, and retail stores are all being mentioned as early adopters for tasks like serving food, guiding guests, and handling repetitive checkout work. That's a lot of jobs potentially on the line if this technology performs anywhere close to what Tesla is promising. At the same time, there's an argument that this could free up millions of hours currently spent on mundane chores and repetitive tasks. Instead of framing this purely as job replacement, some see it as a tool that lets humans focus on creative, emotional, and strategic work that machines still can't replicate. History has shown that technological shifts like this often destroy certain jobs while creating entirely new categories of work nobody predicted. Whether Optimus follows that same pattern or breaks it entirely is one of the biggest open questions of this decade. So where does that leave us right now, sitting here in 2026 watching this unfold in real time? Tesla appears closer than ever to delivering a genuinely capable humanoid robot with real improvements in dexterity, durability, and intelligence compared to earlier generations. The $1 an hour operating cost, if it holds up at scale, would represent one of the most disruptive price points in modern technological history. Whether you're excited, terrified, or somewhere in between, it's hard to deny that we're watching the opening chapter of something genuinely historic. Before you go, take a second to think about what your own household would look like with a machine like this, handling the cooking, the cleaning, and the endless small tasks that eat up your day. Would you trust a robot with your kitchen knives and your kids running around the living room? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments below, because this conversation is only going to get louder as these robots get closer to actually showing up on doorsteps. And if you want to stay ahead of every twist in this story before anyone else does, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on, because Tesla's next big reveal could come sooner than anyone expects.